Hi everyone, my name is Josh Becker, and I am the Bakery and Confectionery Market Segment Manager for Harpak-Ulma Packaging. We are extremely excited to welcome you to our booth at Pack Expo Chicago 2026, booth number 2939 in the South Hall. I will be there with our staff ready to chat and answer any questions you may have about any of our showcased packaging solutions. Harpak-Ulma provides smart connected packaging systems including tray sealing, thermoforming, horizontal flow wrapping, vertical bagging, multi-head weighing, robotic loading and unloading systems, vision inspection, cartoning, case packing, and palletizing. We can really be your turnkey packaging equipment solutions provider from product to pallet. With our varied packaging machinery offerings, our booth theme is about flexibility and tailoring the packaging solution to what would work best for you, our customers. In our booth, we will have several models of our horizontal flow wrapping lines for a variety of your bakery applications. Also, the new TFX Thermoformer is a next-generation smart platform engineered to help consumer packaged goods producers achieve higher throughput, enhanced package quality, and stronger sustainability performance. This would be an excellent solution for pizzas, pizzas, or a variety of flatbreads or pre-portioned dough balls. Tray sealing machines that could be the machine you are looking for to add shelf life to your products and reduce plastic usage in the finished package. You can also take a look at our multi-head weigher, which could certainly be the key to reducing product giveaway when paired with any of our vertical bagging solutions. Lastly, when considering automation, we will be highlighting two separate case packing cells. One of these could be the loading or end-of-line solution that you are looking for. With Pack Expo just around the corner, make sure the Harpak-Ulma booth in the South Hall, number 2939, is on your list. Or better yet, reach out to schedule an appointment. To learn more, you can find additional information on our website at www.harpak-ulma.com. See you in Chicago!